ratio analysis. For mathematical purpose, there have a 4 type of ratio. Old ratio, new ratio, sacrificing ratio, and gaining ratio. Old ratio. Suppose this is a organization. Suppose this is a place, or this is the organization profit percentage. The percentage 50% and Y get 50%. That means running organization profit percentage, X get 50%, Y get 50%. This is a old ratio. Then X and Y, for large investment, they add other investors like Z. Then their new ratio is that means the new percentage but new proportion of profit sharing ratio is new ratio. Here is X sacrifice for Y, old ratio 50%, then new ratio 40%. That means X sacrifice for Y 10%. This is sacrificing ratio. Then Y sacrifice for X 20%. This is Y sacrificing ratio. On the other hand, gaining ratio what? Suppose X Z Y, then we think Y date or retirement. Then X and Z will get 50% profit. 50% profit. The extra X, 10% and 20% is Z. 20% is Z gaining ratio and 10% is X gaining ratio. This is gaining ratio. That means on shareholder go or retirement from the organization, the percentage other investor get, this is gaining ratio.